Most people think making money online has to be complicated. They think they need a huge following, perfect videos, fancy tech, or years of experience. And honestly, I used to think that too. But that is exactly why I started sharing my program. It is for regular people who want to learn how digital marketing actually works without feeling lost, overwhelmed, or embarrassed that they are starting from zero. Inside, you learn the blueprint, the system, the offers, the automation, and the steps to start building something online. No cold messaging, no pretending to be someone you are not, no becoming an influencer overnight. Just a simple path you can follow if you are coachable and willing to learn. So when I talk about my program, I am not yelling, go buy this. I am simply saying, here is what helped me understand online income. Here is the program I'm still using. Here is why I believe beginners can start. And here is where you can look at it for yourself. If you like it, grab it and check it out. If you want the free blueprint and video that explains it all, go to www.modern-millionaire.com and enter your email.